Hi everyone, this is a video about this alarm clock that the name is, if I mispronounce this please forgive me, ACCTIM or ACCTIM or ACCTIM radio controlled clock, which is also an alarm clock that is playing the hour, minutes and seconds, as well as temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and the day of the week and the month of the year and then day of the month. And it can also display the 24 and 12 hour sequence. And everything about this clock is quality, is really well made, and as you see is see-through, and this was very elegant feature of this that I have purchased this, but I assume that the light is going to light up from distance by shaking or making a noise or something, but unfortunately I was rather disappointed because you have to press this for the light to come on, and everything about this is shouting quality and is very slimlined at the frame. Most of these sort of clocks, they have very thick frame around the edges, which is making it a little bit bulky, but this one is really classy and good quality, and the material here is good quality plastic, but still is very nice. And the place that I am on here, we have two other controls. One is Celsius and Fahrenheit. When you press this one, it changes from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And this one is for the 12 and 24 hours display. And this one is a reset if you want to reset this. The good thing about this is radio controlled, and as you see there, is receiving a radio signal to set the alarm, set the clock very accurately, and you don't have to do anything. But in case if you have to do anything, you can do it by pressing the mode and or holding the mode for some seconds, and then you go to the settings and then you can set it up. And this one is also the snooze or light button. When the alarm is going off, this one is just turning it to the snooze, and I guess is for 2 or 3 seconds, 3 minutes, and after that is going to sound the alarm again, and the alarm is just the beeping that is going every time, is going more aggressive and faster, but it doesn't have any sort of melody and so on. It's just buzzing it with very gentle, and then as the time progresses is getting louder and faster as well. So it's really good. And by pressing the mode, you go to the alarm, and if you press it once again, it's going to the time. And if you want to set for instance alarm, and if you press this and hold it, it's just going to alarm, and you can set it up. And let me just see what time is it at the moment. I set it at 6 o'clock to just show you the alarm. And the bad thing about this, you have to press these two in order to go up and down. And let me just do this, and now up we go for 6, and this one we set it to 0, and I'm pressing it continuously to go to 0, and now our mode and the alarm is on, and in 2 minutes time is going to sound the alarm. Let's go and see. We are at 59, so we have 1 minute to show you all around this. And this is the battery compartment. It takes 3 AAA battery, and the model number, if you require, is this one. You can go and search and purchase it on Amazon. The price of this varies from £35 to £50, and is a really stylish alarm. So, and then you can see these two. I installed these two by myself because the place that I am setting this up, it was a little bit leaned to the back, and because of that I have to raise it to have a very good, view of the clock. So I fully recommend this, but because of the price I am reluctant to recommend this. So we are having just 9 seconds for the alarm to sound, and if you press the snooze, it goes to the snooze, and if you press any other buttons, it's going to cancel the alarm. I just leave it on for a while, and you see it's getting more aggressive as the time goes by, and it's very effective without any sort of gimmicks. And now it's going a little bit faster, so I have to just cancel this. And as soon as you press the snooze is coming on there for some seconds. But I think we talked enough about this. So if you are looking for a stylish alarm with less frame around the edges, with an effective light here, so I fully recommend this. I just cancel the alarm. Yeah, by pressing the alarm, and now the alarm is cancelled. So this is a radio alarm, and as soon as you turn this, put battery inside here, inside the compartment, after 2 minutes is going to receive the radio signal, and then it's going to set everything up for you, so you don't need to do anything else. And you just have to be patient for the time saving, changes in the time in the clock for 1 hour forward and rewind. It takes a little bit of time to just do that, but we have to be patient with this because it receives everything with the radio signal. So, and if the radio signal is not strong enough, I'm afraid you're not going to get the automatic setting of the time. So you can always set it on your own, and if you press the mode and hold it, you can set everything with the year and the day of the week and everything. And the Celsius and Fahrenheit, if you press this one, it goes to Fahrenheit, and then it goes to the Celsius. And here, if you press this one, is going to 24 or 12 hours PM or AM. So this was a short video about this ACCTIM or ACCTIM. Model number is 71872. Fully recommend this, and the date that this came out, it was 2017. So still is going strong on Amazon. So I fully recommend this for the style of this, but as the price goes, I'm afraid it's too dear. You can get better clocks than this one. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, please ask me by dropping me a comment, and I get back to you as soon as I can. So I hope you like this video. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.